Assalamu alaikum. I am Nazmul Hassan. My student ID is 024 222 813 I am from Netrokona. Currently, I live in Mirpur, Dhaka. I am 21 years old. I have completed my SSC from Anjuman Adarsh Government High School, Netrokona in 2019. And I have completed my HSC from Abu Abbas College in 2021. My father is a government employee and my mother is a housewife. I am the only son of my parents. Now I am a student of Daffodil International University. I have chosen my undergraduate course Bachelor of Law. There are several reasons which give me confidence that I am doing my best in this subject and can create a successful career. This video resume highlight my SEET. SEET means skills, education, experience, achievement and teamwork. Teamwork. As a law student, I have ability to work effectively, both academic and professional environment. As a law student, I do collaboration with group project, peer support and networking, development, communication skills, building leadership skills. I am also a efficient member of some clubs, like as Daffodil Moot Court Society. Experience. I have working experience as a mooter. I also have working experience as a columnist. My articles are regularly published in various newspapers, like as Daily Deshchitra and Daily Borerawaj. I have working experience as a human rights activist. For more than 2 years, I am working with national and international organizations like as Amnesty International. I have very strong interest in tax law. Currently, I am an apprentice lawyer in Advocate Ghazi and Associates. Currently, I am also working to publish a legal research paper. Traveling, reading book, reading journal, playing cricket and football, watching documentary and also watching talk show is my hobby. I have even my IT skill like as MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and video editing, etc. In near future, I want to become an advocate in Supreme Court of Bangladesh. I am eager to apply my knowledge and skills in dynamic legal environment. That's my video resume. Thank you.